What's going on, man? Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again. I've been trying to record this video for a minute, man. My mic keep going in and out for some reason. Now I gotta get a new cord. I got a little short in it, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, today I got the best Adlib preset on Bandlab, no cap. Hey, I ain't gonna waste no time, man. Y'all actually hearing it right now. This is what it sound like. But let's hear what it sound like on some vocals, on some background vocals and everything. Hey, and I'm gonna show you everything that's on the preset.
Sometimes I wonder how these niggas can hate. Sometimes I wonder why these bitches be fake. Sometimes I wonder why these niggas be snake. Sometimes I wonder, but you cannot relate. Hey, pull up on your block with a brand new cake. Fully loaded choppers and I'm ready to spray. I might go and put diamonds on wrist today. Put a fucking 50 on a stick today. Mama didn't raise no hoe, I'm about action. 2, 2, 3, and make you dance like Michael Jackson.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all heard the preset. Hey, as always, man, I tell you, I know a lot, man. The preset sounds real good, you know what I'm saying? You can obviously, if it's not loud enough for you, can turn it up or turn it down type shit. But let's see everything that's on the preset right now. Y'all boys stay with me. Hey, the first thing we got on the preset, of course, is the EQ. You're taking out a lot of low end. You want your ad-libs to sound like in the background, you know what I'm saying? Bass tends to make things sit forward in the mix. You want your ad-libs to be light sounding, you know what I'm saying? Thin in the back. So that's what we got. That's what we're doing right here a little bit. Hey, after that, man, we add another EQ, a multi-filter. With this, we just boosting up some high end. Oh, correct me. Let me correct myself. I meant mid-range. Boosting up some mid-range. The mid-range gives you that phone type sound. And with ad-libs, I like the telephone type sound, you know what I'm saying? So we taking away some of that. We boosting up some of that mid-range a little bit. After that, we got another multi-filter, boosting up some more mid-range in a different area. I like to do it like this because I feel like you need more than one point trying to boost up to get that telephone type sound. Hey, and these two areas did real good for me. This around like 1200, I believe, that mid-range. Hey, and it definitely turn it on and off, you know what I'm saying? You can really hear what it's doing. It's giving you that phone type sound, you know what I'm saying? That we want. Yes, sir, but after that, we got some compression. Kind of glue the vocals together a little bit. TechLab BA2A, my favorite one. The easiest compressor to use on Bandlab too, by the way. So this is what we got. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Y'all copy that down for sure. And you know what I'm saying? You can use this to taste. You can add less compression or more. It's really up to y'all preference for the ad-libs. After that, we got another compressor. This is optional if you want to. I just use 2 compressors on every vocal. You know what I'm saying? So you got another compressor. Here are the settings I got. Y'all boy know what's going on. Oh, on an unrelated note, man, if y'all boy need a song mixed, hit me up on Instagram, man. I'm running deals right now. $10 a mix, you feel me? YSLKD__. Y'all boy come get that mix for the price to go up. You dig what I'm saying? Sir, now we got something y'all don't see me use, man. This is pretty interesting, you feel me? We got the Dimension B. This kind of brings like a little chorus type vibe. I'm gonna turn it on and off so y'all can hear what it sounds like right now. Yeah, I hope you use some decent headphones so you can see what it did. Dimension B, you know what I'm saying? This is another thing in the preset you can turn off if you want, but I feel like you need everything for this preset to sound its best, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's what I did. After that Dimension B, I knew we had to add some reverb. I went 30% on the studio reverb. It's a lot of reverb, hell yeah. But I like my ad-libs to sound real spacey and reverby, you know what I'm saying? That's just what I like to go for. So this is what I got for the reverb, man. As always, y'all can change this up too if y'all need to, man. It's all a preference thing, bro. I ain't mad at you if you change the preset up. I want you to. Hey, last but not least on the preset, we got a D-Delay Plus. This ain't doing too much, but it definitely is doing a little something, you know what I'm saying? It's giving us a little bit of echoes in the background. You can turn this up or turn it down. It's really depending on what you want to do. Yeah, man. I'm about to go into detail with that. There's really no need to. Hey, and it still is more space for more plugins or effects on this preset. So if you want to add something else to it, hey, feel free to do it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's still open spot. Yeah, did that. I see that big head. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for watching the video, man. Hey, like I said, man, y'all boy, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you is subscribed, you don't get notifications every time I post. So, with that being said, man, I'm out. Hey, appreciate everybody for watching the video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.
Sometimes I wonder how these niggas can hate. Sometimes I wonder why these bitches be fake. Sometimes I wonder why these niggas be snake. Sometimes I wonder, but you cannot relate. Hey, brand new kid. Fully loaded choppers and I'm ready to spray. I might go and put diamonds on wrist today. Put a fucking 50 on a stick today. Mama didn't raise no hoe, I'm about action. 223 and make you dance like Michael Jackson. I'm proud of myself, I make niggas wanna start rapping. Put a 20 ball on your head for that capping. For that capping, for that capping. I need all of my money off top, not a fraction. Young nigga shit, it's a young nigga world. Better hide your bitch, nigga, I could fuck your girl. Shining like a new diamond, not a fucking pearl. Having lucid dreams, R.I.P. the Juice WRLD. You only get one life, I gotta go hard. Gotta go hard, yeah, gotta go hard. I spent 5 bands on a go yard. Spend another 5 bands on another go yard. It's a brand new year, I just want the bucks like a goddamn deer. I've been feeling myself, I put about 20 in my ear. Yeah, you know I'm A1, yeah, they know I'm top tier. Count my racks up, yeah, yeah. Pussy nigga better back up, yeah, yeah. Count my racks up, yeah, yeah. Pussy nigga better back up, yeah, yeah. We got dirty Sprite, we got Fanta. Got your bitch shaking ass like a dancer. Passing out so much smoke till they get cancer. I just bagged a bad bitch from Atlanta. Yeah, this hoe like the pose for the camera. Man, this bitch like the pose for the camera. Fuck that bitch for some hours, I got stamina. I get bored, I might take a trip to Canada. I get bored, I might take a trip to Canada. Purple codeine, I got purple weed. If you ain't got no roll-ups, then you gotta leave. Make that little bitch suck it till she can't fucking breathe. Yeah, I feel like Rod Wave, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Yes, I'm back and I'm better than ever. I put it together, a young nigga clever. Gold on my neck, it's looking like treasure. I'ma be straight forever. Yeah, I know a lot of niggas that talk, and I know a lot of niggas that'll fall. Yeah, I know most of my jewelry be gold. Been like that since 15 years old. God damn, they hoe keep calling. Hey, I'm recording the song, man. Yeah, I'm in the studio right now, chill out, man. Most of my niggas are vultures, yeah, they fucking criminal. Niggas on social media sending subliminals. Niggas hoes, I can see it in their face. Yeah, I passed you if this shit was a race.